Hey everyone! Welcome to Super Simple Draw. Make sure you have something to draw with and some paper. And don't forget that you can pause the video if you need more time. Today we're going to draw some flowers. Start by drawing a long rectangle for the stem. Now draw 2 leaves, one on each side of the stem. Then, draw a circle up above the stem. And draw another circle around that one. Another. And one more. This will be the center of the flower. Draw some oval shapes around the center of the flower. These are the petals. And erase this part of the stem. Now let's color our flower. The stem and leaves are always green. And let's make the petals pink. With a yellow middle. That looks nice. Now let's draw a different kind of flower. Start with the same stem and leaves, but make it a little longer. Draw some curved leaves coming off the stem. Then draw a big curve coming off the top of the stem. And one more on the other side. Draw more curves on top of that. Then one big line coming off the top, with a circle on top. With some smaller lines around it. And add buds at the end of each line. Let's color the stem and leaves green. And the flower orange. With red dots in the middle. Great job! Let's try another flower. Start with the stem and leaves, and then draw a big raindrop shape on top. Two more raindrops behind that one. Color the stem and leaves green. And the flower purple. That looks good. Let's try another one. Start with the same stem and leaves. Draw more curved lines for more stems. Add some circles to the top of the stems. Then, draw some petals around each of the circles, like this. Color the stem and leaves green. The centers of the flowers yellow and the petals white. Terrific! Now let's try a dandelion. They're my favorite. Let's draw 2 stems. Add 2 curved lines here. And draw some spiky leaves on them. Now draw a bunch of tiny petals around in a big circle. With smaller petals on the inside. You've made quite the bouquet. Let's draw another one. Color the stem and leaves green. And the flowers in yellow. Make a wish. Okay, let's draw one last flower. Start with a long stem with 2 long lines on either side. Draw some leaves on the ends of the lines. Draw a big spiral at the top. And some petals around the outside. And erase this part of the stem. Now, add some small triangles to the stem for thorns. Color the stem and leaves green. And the flower red. Great! Now that you can draw lots of different kinds of flowers, let's draw a flower garden like this. Add a little rain, and watch your flowers bloom. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time.